first step is going to be to take this.
Hi, I'm River's dad, Chris, and today we're going to be constructing a do-it-yourself window well with a fairy garden underneath it. So, first thing I'm doing here is I got a dowel rod, and I'm going to put a hole in it, and this is for screws that we're going to put right into concrete. So, this drill bit is actually, it's a little bit bigger than the screw because the screw doesn't need to dig into the wood. If you're doing this, make sure you have an adult doing the power tools because power tools are extremely dangerous. And you can't see it right now, but I'm wearing goggles to make sure I don't get wood chips in my eyes. And then now that we have the screw, I went ahead and I put the screw in the holes and just kind of embedded it there. And then what I'm going to do is I just hold it up where I want it, and then I'm just going to give each screw a light tap with a hammer, and what that does is it just leaves a little indentation in the wall that will let me know where to actually drill. And these screws happen to be blue, which helped out because it left a little blue paint. The drilling the concrete is actually not that tough. It seems like it's going to be, but you definitely have to have the right drill bit. If you don't have a concrete drill bit, you're just going to break your drill bit off. And even with the right drill bit, it does take a while because it's a lot harder to drill into concrete than it is to drill into wood. So we're going to just edit here a little and move on to the other side. And then after we get the second hole drilled, the next step is just to screw the screws in. Like I said, we're going directly into concrete with these concrete screws. And actually, the thing that surprised me is it was not hard at all to screw them in. I thought it was going to be a lot more difficult, and I think it's just a matter of making sure you have exactly the right hole, right sized hole. If it's too big, of course, it won't grip, but if it's too small, you're never going to be able to screw it in. And you can see that's nice and solid, even though all it has is those two screws. So next step is River is preparing the window well for the fairy garden. First thing that they're doing is measuring the hole, then cutting landscape cloth to fit the hole. The reason for the landscape cloth is to prevent weeds from growing up. Even though it's covered over and no water is supposedly getting in, it does help to have the landscape cloth. And then River's putting some ornamental stones down, some sand, and then arranging some stuff for the fairy garden. And then we put the corrugated vinyl over top on the dowel rods, and they're just going to drill right through the corrugated vinyl into the dowel, and then just screw that down with some screws. And after that, it will keep water and debris out of the window well, and we'll be able to have our fairy garden down there. And this is what the finished fairy garden looks like. And you'll see that we have it's a really nice effect. And we have a couple mirrors in there, and I like to have mirrors at the bottom of my window well because it gives you a view of the sky and gives you a little bit more direct sunlight that comes in. And then you can also see, you can actually look up through the corrugated vinyl, and it's sort of a nice effect. And then down at the bottom, we see the stuff that River arranged, and it makes this really nice fairy garden effect.